In the low-level course, we looked at the wire level. So what happens if you look at things in Wireshark? We looked at the multiplexing of DTLS, DUN, and RTP. Also things like SRTP and ICE, which were a bit higher level, but still quite low. Then we explained the basics of RTP and RTCP, as well as RTP header extensions. But now we're moving up a bit in the stack. When we're looking at RTP, we're looking at demultiplexing multiple RTP streams in the same RTP session and how to tell which RTP packet is associated with what sender and receiver. We're looking at how video frames get packetized by RTP, how resiliency mechanisms like negative acknowledgement or forward error correction work. We're looking at the individual RTP header extensions that are used in WebRTC and their semantics and how they fit into algorithms. We also look at the various kinds of RTCP feedback messages that are sent and received, like sender reports, receiver reports, negative acknowledgement, picture loss indications, and transfer WebRTC feedback. After that, we move to the algorithm section where we describe how the building blocks like RTP header extensions and RTCP are used to solve complex problems like bandwidth estimation or resiliency to packet loss.
In terms of course modules, they are split into three. There is this introduction, and then we're going to look at the protocols and the algorithms. As Fippo said, in the protocols part, we're going to look at the multiplexing, at header extensions for RTP. We're going to look inside RTCP and what happens there. We're going to look at the resiliency of RTP and RTP packetization. On the algorithm side, we've handpicked a few very important algorithms that are used in WebRTC, mostly to get the media quality right. These are going to be split into three specific lessons. One discussing jitter buffers and frame buffers, one around bandwidth estimation and the different type of estimations available in WebRTC, how they are used and why, and one that is going to focus on the resiliency and packet losses. What are we going to do with packet losses and how we're overcoming them with specific algorithms that are available for us in WebRTC.